Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change gender in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app and now make sure you're logged into your Capcut account. If you don't know how to log into your Capcut account, you can watch our previous video on how to log into Capcut account. So now, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, you can see the Edit Profile button. Click on it. Now you can see options to edit your nickname, Capcut ID, gender, bio, or also to link your TikTok or YouTube channel. So since we want to change our gender, simply click on Gender and now choose your preferred gender. Now, just like that, we have changed our gender in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.